Don't make the same mistake I did. I spent years struggling financially and living paycheck to paycheck. Let me share with you how I turned things around so you can avoid the traps that I fell into. Hi, my name is Melissa. I'm a mom to 2 boys, a teacher, and a former foster parent. And yes, we lived that struggle for years. We lived paycheck to paycheck, struggling to get by, not sure how we were going to make ends meet some months. We were stuck in a cycle of financial stress, and I just didn't know how to break free from that. For years, I struggled paycheck to paycheck, not sure how I was going to get by, worried constantly. What if a big bill came along? What if a huge medical bill came along? What if our car stopped working? What if there was a huge problem with the house that would require a lot of money, because I didn't have a lot of savings. And that worry, that stress just wore me down on a daily basis. No matter how much I worked, I felt like we were just one step away from my financial crisis, a downfall. If you're thinking, hey, this sounds like me, I totally get it, because I've been right where you are. The constant worries, the struggles, not knowing if you're going to make it. It's exhausting. And then one day I had a realization, a wake-up call. This is not how I wanted to live my life. This is not the life that I wanted to give my kids. I knew I had to make a change, and I was ready for that change. I had lived so long stuck in that financial situation, and I knew I didn't want to be there anymore. I was ready for that change. I knew I couldn't keep dreaming about that change. It was time to take action now. What about you? Have you ever felt trapped in a financial situation? Let me know in the comments. What was your situation? What was holding you back? What were your fears about money? Let's talk about that in the comments. Do we share common grounds? What are you doing to get out of it? Or what help do you need to get out of that financial situation? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. That's when I discovered digital marketing. I decided I could start building a business from home. You see, I already was struggling with the fact that I wasn't seeing my kids as much as I wanted to. And I didn't want to take a second job outside of the home to make more money. And I heard about digital marketing. It's all over the place. If you're on TikTok, you've probably heard about it. YouTube, everybody's talking about it. And so I was like, I should try this out. But I'm a teacher, I'm a thinker, I'm a planner. I'm not just going to jump into something without knowing anything about it. So I invested in a course with the Legacy Builders program because I wanted to learn how to do digital marketing the right way. I didn't want to scramble, searching on Google, searching YouTube, searching TikTok, trying to figure out what it was, because my skill set is with teaching. You want to know anything about teaching? Ask me. I'm the expert on teaching. That's what I know how to do. That's what I was trained to do. I knew nothing about digital marketing, and that is why I purchased the course. And that course has given me a new set of skills, something I've never done before. And I'm glad I purchased the program, because I would have had no clue how to do this on my own. First of all, you don't need to be tech savvy, which is good, because my teenager tells me I'm far from tech savvy. And so I invested in this program, started watching the trainings, and those trainings walked you through how to set everything up step by step. I mean, the video showed you exactly what your computer looked like. It told you what button to push. It told you what to type in or what to copy and paste. It made everything so simple. And then the training showed you how to do digital marketing, how you needed to attract customers to you, how you needed to come up with your content. It gave you everything. And in addition to the taped trainings, there are live trainings several times a week. You can go Go to calls, live calls where you can get help on tech support. There are live calls on mindset. Mindset is a huge part of this business. There are calls where you can talk to people from the community who have made millions of dollars, and they will answer your questions. They will give you their tips and tricks on how they found success. There is so much information within the community. There are 49,000 members in the community right now. We are all there to help and support each other. There are people in this community from around the world. So if somebody's always awake, day or night, whatever your question is, you will find support. So I am just thankful I found this course because I have learned so much. It has just opened my eyes to what is out there and what I can do. I will tell you, it is not a get-rich-quick scheme, as a lot of people are looking for. It takes dedication. It takes commitment. It takes courage. You have to show up every day. You have to be willing to step out of your comfort zone. You have to be willing to give a lot of time to get it set up and working. You have to be committed. When I started digital marketing, I knew I couldn't quit my full-time job. I'm still teaching. To this day, I'm still teaching, but I've built my digital marketing business on the side, and I work on it before my kids get up in the morning. I work on it after my kids go to bed at night, and I work in the nooks and crannies of my day. So just a few hours a day. It doesn't take over my whole day, just a couple hours a day to get all of my income earning activities done. And I love that it's flexible. So I set my own hours. I am my own boss, right? It's your business. You're the boss. So I can decide when and where I work. And yes, where. I can work from the comfort of my home, but if we're out and about somewhere, if we go on vacation, visit grandparents, whatever, I just need my phone or my computer and I can work from anywhere. I'm going to pause here and show you a testimonial, somebody from our community who has had success with the exact same program I am finding success in.
I'm so happy that I knocked fear in the face and I said yes to this amazing opportunity. So my name is Allison and I'm a special needs mom who cannot work out of the house. When I was on TikTok, I saw a live video that was talking about a 2-hour workday and learning how to make daily pay. And I said, oh my God, I need to try this. And I am so happy that I did, because I am literally not even 2.5 months in. I made $13,000 as a complete newbie. And I stink at technology. So I was so scared that I was going to need technology. I did not. So I'm just saying it has been such a dream come true. This community that we have got added into is absolute gold. Everybody wants everybody to win, and it's nothing like I've ever seen before. So I'm just so happy that I said yes to this, that I'm learning absolutely all the skills that I need, and I know when I look back at this a year from now, I'm going to be a part of that $1 million club. So it's amazing. Very, very amazing. I'm so happy I said yes.
Now fast forward to today. I am still working my full-time job, but my side hustle, my digital marketing, has allowed me to pay off debt. I'm no longer stressing about living paycheck to paycheck, and we're able to take the kids and go on small day trips, explore the area where we lived, something we couldn't afford to do before. We're checking out everything around where we live, and my kids have huge plans. We're planning a trip to the beach this year because we all love the beach. Their goal, they want to make it to every state in the United States. So we're starting to work on planning that and looking at the states we've already been to and the ones that are kind of far away, and how we plan to get there, what we plan to do. So the sky is the limit with us. We are so excited. This has been a huge game changer for my family, and we are so happy that we found this. I want to hear from you right now. I've told you all the things I've done, all the things that have helped me out with this business. What would you do? What would you do if you were able to work from home and earn a living, be able to pay off your bills, have money left over? What would you do with that extra money? Let me know in the comments. What are your dreams? So here's the takeaway. I've just told you my story, how I went from living paycheck to paycheck, in debt, struggling, worrying how I was going to get by, to finally living my dream and having that financial stability. You can do it too. I believe in you. The sky's the limit. If you set your mind to it, you can achieve this too. If you are ready to start your own journey on financial freedom with digital marketing, or you're simply looking for more information before you make your decision, I know it's a huge decision. I did a lot of research too. But if you are looking for more information, or if you're ready to start, go to the description and click on my website. You can get into my emails from there. We can start emailing back and forth. You can ask me any questions. I would love to help you get started on your journey. I will share the exact blueprint that I use that helped me find success, and I will walk you through how to get started in digital marketing. I am looking for a few new people to mentor. As a teacher, I love mentoring new teachers, and I love doing that with people starting out with digital marketing as well. There are lots of tips and tricks and secrets that I can share with you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.